small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Iowa City, Coralville, North Liberty, Solon, Tiffin, University Heights, Oakdale, West Overlook, Coralville Lake Dam Complex, Newport, University of Iowa, Sugar Bottom Campground, Morse, Elmira, and Oasis. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 237 and 253. Interstate 380 between mile markers 1 and 4. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following county: Johnson, Iowa. At 5 p.m. in Cedar Rapids, a thunderstorm was reported. The temperature was 7.